Hello, how are you?
Oh, fine. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I am fine too. Now it is perfect, right?
Oh, perfect. Actually, there is such kind of issue. I think there is such kind of.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Although it is sorted out right now.
it's perfect right now.
Yeah, yeah, it is all good.
Okay.
Shall we
Uh,
start? Shall we start?
okay. Obviously, sir. Basically, first of all, who are just the new audience who don't know about this kind of things about digital marketing, about blogging, or all
Okay.
about the issue, all those kind of things. So, can you explain digital marketing or what is the basic of blogging?
Okay. So blogging is all about your passion and your interest. First of all,
Okay.
whenever you do blogging,
Hmm.
at that time you have to choose
Hmm.
your niche. Means there are different kind of categories of niche available in the market. So based upon your interest and your passion, you have to choose your niche, and then only you can go ahead with your blogging career. Otherwise, you'll be in long term, you'll be going to fail. So
Okay.
my suggestion is to choose your niche first based upon your interest, and then go ahead with whatever knowledge you have. You share with the people. You share your knowledge, your expertise, your ideas with the people, and then people will follow you. That is all about the blogging.
All right, perfect, sir. So basically, if I just, for example, for example, I have a knowledge about technology and all that kind of thing,
Yeah,
upcoming knowledge about the, for example, upcoming gadgets about Mac utilities and about Windows apps or maybe many more things, right?
yeah,
So should
yeah,
I
yeah.
be start blogging or field or on this particular niches?
Yes, that's perfectly all right. If you have a knowledge about the technology, then you
Okay.
can go in. There is a subcategory also, sub niche. That's we can call the sub niche. So
Mm.
if you want to start your blog in technology, then
Okay.
you can also choose about the mobile, about the gaming technology kind of things. Like you can explore about the gaming mouse, gaming Windows screen that is available online. So you can choose a different types of categories are also there, sub niches. So it is called the micro niche.
All
The
right.
what you can use it is called the micro niche. Nowadays, mostly people are doing the blogging on micro niche to get the very fast success. So to choosing the blog, it is blog in one particular niche. It is very broad niche, but under
Right.
that particular niche, you have to choose the sub niche, which is called the micro niche, and work on that, right? And you can succeed very fast. So that's also very good. Nowadays, technology is very booming subject in the blogging industry. And when you do blogging on the technology, you get the higher CPC. CPC means cost per click,
Right, sir.
because nowadays many of the people want to know more things about the technology, and then they will going to start. Hello.
Right, sir. Audible, sir, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So
So,
technology nowadays, many people target on the technology, but there is also other niche available. You can go with the fitness niche. In the fitness and weight loss, many people are doing the blogging in fitness and weight loss niche. So, for example, if you think that your targeted country is USA, so in
okay.
USA, many people you will find they are very fat and having a very huge weight. So they are
Right, sir.
considering the weight loss product. So you can do affiliate marketing by creating the blog on the weight loss product, and you are giving the fitness tips. And based upon that, you can do cross sell and send your attach your affiliate link and do your sell. So that's also very good niche. There are many types of niche are available in that.
So, if, for example, right now, a lot of the people are confusing that whenever just to be, first of all, whenever just to be going to the blogging industry as a newbie. So make sure they're totally confused about that. What's the choose after, for example, after choosing such kind of particular niche about
Right.
technology, about digital marketing, and all
Yeah,
of
yeah,
these things. Then a
yeah,
lot of the people are, there's no any kind of consistent. Because of that, there's
yeah,
one such kind of instant result, right?
yeah, yeah,
I just even kind of 1 3 or probably 4 5 months I just to get huge traffic, a huge
yeah, yeah.
engagement particular blog. So how do you, can you explain that, can you share such kind of thing that how many much time they can be consistent?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, in blogging, you have to be patient. You have to be patient a lot. At
Right, sir.
least if you start a blog, then at least you have to give time. You need to do hard work for
Right, sir.
this particular. When you start the blog, you have to give 6 to 8 months at least, which is minimum. So if you are able to give and you are consistent, as you have rightly said, Saket, that consistency and persistence is most important things, because Google consider this consistency. Based upon that, they will rank your blog in the Google ranking factor. If you publish one blog today and then after 1 month you will publish another blog, right? Then Google will not consider you. You have to be consistent. Every twice a day, thrice a day, you have to publish each and every day one more blog, and content quality which will be very unique compared to others. And there are a lot of things in blogging and SEO. So this is a very wide subject. You need to understand each and everything carefully, and then you have apply this, and have to be patient is most important thing.
Right, sir. So, can you tell me about that? That a lot of the people are start blogging, and a lot of the
Yeah.
people earn a lot of money from. Can we
Yeah.
share this kind of source that how when we earn amazing money from blogging?
Yeah, actually, the blogging is the fastest way to earn money online in digital marketing. Right
Right, sir.
now, lockdown is going on. Many people are under lockdown, and many
Mhm.
people are watching YouTube video. So, in YouTube video, many of the people are giving the best knowledge, but they are giving incomplete knowledge, insufficient information. So if someone wants to learn about the blogging, then they can also visit my channel. I have started Blogging Guru by Milesh Patel. In that, I have explained niches, what are the niches in 2020. One more
Right,
thing
sir.
I want to tell you is that the source of income in blogging. So in blogging, you can earn in many ways. When you start a blog, there are different kind of ways, like you earn through AdSense. this
Right,
is
sir.
uh, this is one source. Then you can earn through affiliate marketing.
Right, sir.
As earlier I told you that if you create the micro niche, then the affiliate marketing is the best. You can attach the Amazon affiliate link, Flipkart, eBay. So there is no limitation in digital marketing, so you can earn a lot of money. People are
Right.
earning per month $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. There is no limitation, but you have to be persistent and work continuously. That's the
Right,
motto.
sir. Right, sir. Thank you. So another
Yeah,
thing that there is a lot of the people are just we think that SEO means you have to be a proper do follow backlink, proper high authority from high authority website, and then just to be high DA, PA, and many more things. And if there are such kind of people who just newly start, so they how they get such kind of amazing backlink. Can it be explained?
yeah. Backlink is the core. We can say content is the king and the backlink is a queen. So
Right.
backlink is a queen. Backlink you can get in many ways. For backlink, you can do by a blog commenting. You can do create the backlink by the different platform, like article submission. You can get the backlink from YouTube also, and many social media platform. You can get the Web 2.0 backlink also to rank very fast.
Right,
So
sir.
there are many such kind of ways to create the backlink, but it will also take a time to index wherever you created the backlink. In that backlink, which you need to index into the Google. So when Google crawl come and they scan your backlink, then they considering this is your backlink, right?
Okay, all right.
So yeah, otherwise backlink will remain as it is. So there is no use of it. But
Okay,
the main important things in backlink creation, you have to consider on creating quality backlink rather than quantity backlink.
right, sir.
So when you create the quality backlink at that time, which is very useful and relevant to your blog, so then and then only your blog will rank very fast. So this is secret tips from my side.
Right, sir. Very good. One wonderful tip, sir. Wonderful.
Yeah, yeah,
And I think that a lot of the people are thinking that if how to be write such kind of SEO friendly content, right? Sir, SEO friendly content, how to be right? Because of that, there's a such kind of there's a such kind of I think there's such kind of knowledge of there's a proper keyword research and proper keyword on your title tag, meta tag, and everything, right, sir? So if there is such
yeah,
kind of new boy used to be start
yeah,
blogging, and how they should
yeah.
be add such kind of keyword on proper keyword in a paragraph actually. Can you explain a
Yeah,
little bit, sir?
actually, the blogging is divided in three parts. One is on-page SEO, second is off-page SEO, and third is the technical SEO. So
Right,
first
sir.
part comes when you write the blog. It is called on-page SEO. So minimum you can have to look the your article, how much words article you will going to write. So first of all, I want to solve your question. The user-friendly article. User-friendly article means you have to write the article which is easily understandable those who are reading that article, right?
Right, sir.
So user-friendly means you have to use the language which is an college level boy or 12th pass boy which can able to read it. Even if you write in English, then a normal layman can able to understand that what you want to going to say in the your article, right? If you write for example, if you write your blog and you use the language of Dutch language, like you can the language is differences, like for example if you use the language of USA language, so which
Right,
is
sir.
very different than our normal Indian English language,
Right,
right?
sir. Right,
We are
right.
we are generally talking in normal language and speaking very normal English, which is not very hi-fi English. So you always use, whenever you write your article, you'll always consider your audience, that who will going to read your article. You have to understand your audience first, that for whom you will going to write this article. So when you understand this, then you come to know this is user friendly article.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. And another thing
Yeah,
that lot of the people are confusing that there is such kind of, for example, whenever I used to be, start my blogging, and
yeah,
then we my website hacked it by through such
okay,
kind of. I don't know what is the main reason because
right,
I just whenever I used to be I just visit Google Search Console, जो Google का
right,
प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, वहां पे जब विजिट किया तो वहां पर देखा अननेसेसरी बैकलिंक क्रिएट हो गया. Unnecessary
okay,
the such people who just to be added such kind of unnecessary website, and
yeah, yeah,
then just to be verify all that kind of thing, then just to be
yeah,
figure totally websites are spam. And
right,
I don't know in that particular time, I don't know what should be I do, and doesn't know any kind of guide, doesn't know any kind of mentor who just to be guide you me that how to
yeah,
be
yeah.
cover of particular website. And can you
Mm.
be little bit about the secure? Tell me about the security about blogging, how to be secure our blog.
You have to. There is a one tool called the Diswow tool. You
Okay,
can
sir.
you can yeah, Diswow tool. It is launched by the Google.
Okay,
And whenever I understand your concern,
right,
for
sir.
example, if you start a blog and your blog become very popular, at that time many people come and they create the backlink of your blog without you don't know about it. right? Because
Right.
they want backlink from your site, because your site is become very popular. So uh, like that, you'll be getting the backlink, spam backlink. So Google will downgrade your backlink, and they downgrade also derank your site from the Google. At the time, for example, if your competitor is there and your competitor have has made the backlink from porn site, so it is
Okay.
also considering as a down rank. For
Okay.
example, I'll explain you the porn site, the, you can say, the narcotics and different kind of illegal things that is happening. If the black backlink created from there, then
Mm.
your blog automatically get deranked by Google.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to use DSWAV tools. In DSWAV tools, you have to submit that backlink and press on the submit button. Then automatically that website will going out of your backlink list, and you'll be again refresh. So you'll be fresh. Your blog will be fresh and away from the spamming link. So that's the,
Right,
yeah,
sir. Thank you. It's
yeah,
perfect. I think a lot of the people
yeah,
who just be struggling about the security, about the struggling, the unnecessary backlink. I think this tool is
yeah,
really powerful to all of us.
yeah, yeah,
I think
yeah,
that
yeah.
the sir, a lot of the people are talking about the AP accelerator mobile pages. Is it really necessary?
What?
AMP
Yeah,
accelerated
yeah, yeah,
mobile
yeah, yeah.
pages. Is it
As per
really
my,
necessary?
yes, yes. Actually, if you want to grow in blogging career, then you have to use the AMP,
Hmm.
accelerated mobile pages. AMP is used for mobile accelerated pages. So most of the people right now is seeing your website in mobile rather than the desktop
Right,
window.
sir.
So for that, you have to accelerate your website, and which is very fast compared to desktop site. So there is very much chance, very much more chance to come in the rank while people seen in mobile. So Google consider both your mobile site as well as your desktop site. So the speed is very most important factor in Google ranking factor. So wherever it is in website, in desktop or in mobile, but the loading speed is most important things. So when if you use the AMP, then this is very good to use it.
Okay, sir, perfect. Sir, can you be little bit about question about Instagram marketing or all that kind of thing? Can you ask such kind of question?
Yeah, Instagram marketing is all about the making connection with the people, and
Okay.
Instagram is the same as like what you do like in blogging. So when
Right.
you create the post, you have to mention each and everything about your post, and you have to create the niche. First of all, I told you about the niche creation.
Right, sir.
So for example, if you want to start earning from the Instagram, then uh, if you want to create a Instagram post on the pets, like, तो पोस्ट के ऊपर अगर आप अपना इंस्टाग्राम ग्रुप बनाते हैं पेट्स के ऊपर, तो आपको
Hmm.
पेट्स के रिलेटेड सब इमेजेस डालनी पड़ेगी। उसके अंदर पूरी जो डिटेल में पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों को देना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद में उसका जो रिलेटेड कंटेंट है, जैसे हैशटैग हो गया, तो हैशटैग भी आपको वहां पे लगाना पड़ेगा उसके रिलेटेड लोगों को। तो वैसे आपका लोग आपको फॉलो करेंगे, आपके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ेंगे। उसके बाद में आप वहां पे अफिलिएट लिंक डाल सकते हैं
Right, sir.
अपने अमेज़न का। जैसे डॉग्स का अपना जो फूड आता है, उसका लिंक डाल सकते हैं, कैट्स का फूड आता है, उसका लिंक डाल सकते हैं। तो वैसे आप अफिलिएट करके भी इंस्टाग्राम से भी कमा सकते हैं, बट यू हैव अ स्टेडी ऑडियंस एंड द रिलेवेंट ऑडियंस, so
Right,
that's
sir.
very important. Otherwise, one of the person met me over the Instagram. He told me that I have 20,000 followers,
Okay.
but followers is from gaming and zigzag way. There is no particular follower for particular niche, right?
Right, sir.
So it is useless.
Okay.
You don't earn anything. It is just follower is only follower, nothing else.
Right.
Got my point? Yeah.
So another thing is that whenever any kind of newbie who just we start digital marketing, so first of all they don't know where are they going to be start any kind of blogging, about email marketing, about Facebook ads, about Google ads and Instagram marketing and many more things. Many
Yeah.
more opportunities are available in digital marketing. So sir,
Yes. Yes.
actually what is the trending right now? Can you be share such kind of
Yes.
what is the
In digital marketing world right now, Instagram is the very trending compared to Facebook.
okay, sir?
Hello.
Right, sir. I can
Hello.
listen.
Compared to Facebook. Hello. Hello.
Right, sir. Listen. I can listen, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Instagram marketing right now it is very famous because
Okay.
people are getting shifted from Facebook to Instagram. So you can do Instagram, and there is also many sponsors advertisement available. So you can either do grow organically, or you can grow by paying the money and run your paid ads for particular your product. So right now Instagram is booming, and you can go with the Instagram.
Very good, sir. And another thing said that I just to be asked that a lot of the people. Another thing that just to be asked, a lot of the people are thinking that
Hello.
blogging is like. Is it audible, sir? Right. Is it
Yes,
audible,
right
sir?
now audible.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, okay, sir. So, sir, a lot of the people are think that SEO means there is a lot of time to be invest on any kind of learning new thing, any learning any kind of proper on page SEO, proper off page SEO. You know, we tell me that three things of SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO, and technical SEO, right, sir?
Yes,
And a lot
yes.
of people are thinking that the both of series and both of the method of SEO, lot of the time consuming, lot of the time
Yeah,
to earn, and many more things. And a lot of the people who just to be go move to the advertisement, like advertisement
yeah,
campaign, Facebook
right.
ad, Insta ad,
Yeah,
and many more types of ads campaign. So,
yeah.
what do you think about, sir, that what is the main they just to be go with the AdSense, or sorry, advertisement, or any kind of SEO? So, what is the main startup, or probably a lot of the people, a lot of the newbie, lot of the new thinking about this kind of new audience who just to be start, they just to be totally confused about that kind of thing. Like any kind of who just, for example, lot of the people a lot of the people are start about their personal brand. A lot of the people
Correct.
start their agency and they don't know proper way that where are going to be start. There's no any kind of there is a first of all there's no any kind of start about the SEO. There's no start about the advertisement campaign and many more things, email marketing, affiliate marketing, all that kind of thing. So a lot of the people are totally confused about this kind of method, because a lot of the people are DM me and ask me about this kind of things, that sir, should I be go with this kind of thing? Should I be go with that kind of thing? So what is the most training and what is the best way to be grow on digital marketing? So
In digital marketing, in SEO particularly, first you have to learn, you have to give time, and then when you perfectly doing these things, and then your blog grow organically. If you have a personal brand or personal product with you, then you will do you run your Google ads, then it is fine. But Google also know if you have a product, you must know that in Google there are you can see in the advertisement which is for particular product or particular brand. So if you are writing a blog, then blog means what? Blog means the you provide the information, and based upon your information, people will trust you. And when they trust you, what you are going to give in a blog, and then they will buy from your link. So this is very important. And for growing the blog organically, you have to do SEO properly. So for SEO, you need to learn first. Without learning, you cannot be able to earn. So in in common sense we can say learn and earn.
Right, sir.
But many people's first target is to earn first without learning. So
Right, sir.
that's a shortcut, and many newbies wanted to use that way, but this is not the correct way. First you need to learn. So you do proper SEO, and then you grow organically. So that's my personal advice, to learn first. You have a patience, start your blog, and then you can grow. Because there is a differentiation in websites. If you see, some website is of a brand, they are promoting the products, right? And
Right.
second is the blog. There are two categories. So in blog you can earn through many ways, because you have created particular audience for your blog. This audience will trust on you. So this is very important.
Very good, sir. Right, sir. And
Yeah,
sir, and little bit last question, sir. And the last
yeah, yeah.
question is, a lot of the people think that blogging means or digital marketing after completing such kind of course, any kind of from any kind of companies, any kind of agency course. A lot of the people are think,
Yeah.
should I be start any kind of my agency? Should I start my any kind of personal brand or many more things? So, what's the your advice, sir? After completing such kind of course, any kind of SEO or ads, advertisement, and many more things, sir.
Actually, this is also, I'll tell you, after doing the course, you have to do practical. You have to take the practical experience. Without that, you cannot only doing the course, and then many people are there who spend 10,000, 15,000, 30,000 on the course, and they immediately start their company. So that's not possible. First, you need to take experience after doing the course, right? So
Right,
if you take a experience, then based upon your experience, once you become expert, you sharpen your skill, then only you come to know pros and cons of the industry, and then after you will come to know about the each and everything about the industry, and then you start your business. Even if you want to start the agency, then many freelancing websites available on the internet. Like I'll name it. One is the Fiverr.com. Second was one is the Freelancer.com, Upwork.com. But when you create your profile, create your account out there after doing the SEO course or a blogging course, then it is not easy to get the work from there. You have to
okay,
prove that. You have to prove that, and then people will give you the work. So it's not totally very, it's not very easy. You have to work
okay,
hard. You have to take grasp knowledge, and you have to be expert in the particular field. So that's my
okay.
advice.
Thank you so much, sir. I think this is the very good advice. This is the perfect advice for who just to be start after completing such kind of course, any kind of digital marketing course from any kind of agencies or any kind of academies, and then they just to be start their agency or they just to be start their personal brand. I think this is the perfect answer for you, sir. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
yes.
sir,
Yeah,
for
yeah. Also,
thank you so much, sir.
I like the way that you question me, and it
Okay.
is a very knowledgeable session that we have shared knowledge with each other, and people will learn a lot from this session.
Right, sir. I think this is the perfect session, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll do another session afterwards on another topic.
Okay.
We'll decide and do for our audience, so they
Okay.
can
Sure,
know
sir.
they can learn more about the blogging and SEO things.
Obviously, sir. Obviously.
Yeah, and I have a YouTube channel. I have many kind of things available there, so
Okay.
people can also visit there and learn new things. And I am continuously posting my videos out there, and so that the people can learn. This is totally free. There is no cost out there. So anyone want to learn, then they can follow the channel Blogging Guru by Milesh Patel.
Okay. I definitely go there and learn a lot of things from you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, this is created, but there is a many more things will be coming up. So I'll posting regularly. Okay.
Very good, sir. Thank you,
Yeah, yeah,
sir. Thank you so much.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, and we'll be call you again. Okay.
Sure,
Nice
sir. See
time
you.
sharing with you. Yeah. Okay.
Sure, sir. See you. See you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, bye, everyone. Bye.